Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 17.6 on CentOS Stream 10. Okay, first open any web browser. Now go to PostgreSQL official website, that is postgresql.org. See here, at the time of installation the latest release is 17.6. Click on download or download, both are same. Click on download, then select the operating system family Linux, then select the Red Hat, Rocky or Alma Linux. Then select the version. See here we have the latest version 17. Select it, then select the platform, select Rocky, Alma or Oracle Linux 10 version. Then see here, once we selected it, populated the list of the commands that needs to be executed to install PostgreSQL. So open terminal, then run these commands one by one. First it is going to install the repository RPM. Paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. It is done. Ctrl A. Now disable if there are any PostgreSQL modules by running this command. Ctrl A. Now install PostgreSQL Server. Sudo dnf install PostgreSQL -17. If you want to install 16, install 16, give 16. Okay, I want to install latest version, so PostgreSQL 17-server, hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL 17.6 and these dependencies. Type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. Type and hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. If you give like this, it won't work. We have to give -version number. See, PostgreSQL server is installed, but it is inactive and it is disabled. Okay, so we have to start it, but before starting we have to run these commands. It is going to initialize the database. Hit enter. Now start the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL -17. Also enable it. Now check the status. See, PostgreSQL is enabled and it is started. And also see here, this is the data directory. And see here the services: logger, checkpointer, background writer, wall writer, auto vacuum launcher, and logical replication launcher. Okay, and these are the PIDs. Okay, go to Git, control it. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server. And also notice here, this is not the version of the PostgreSQL server. It is PSQL client version. To get the PostgreSQL server version, we have to run the command select version. See, we got the PostgreSQL server version. It is 17.6. Control it. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for the superuser, that is Postgres. So verify list of users. See, we have only one user. Even you can also verify by running select username from pg_user. See, got the same. Okay, now set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password, then provide the new password. See, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. We have alter all means we have successfully set the password. Now verify list of databases \l, or we can get the by running select dat name from pg_database. See, these are the default databases. Let us create database. Create database bank. We have to put semicolon. Now verify the same. See, we have created database, and this is the one of the database. Quit. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use \c or connect. Then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user postgres. Now verify list of tables. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create table. Create table customer. See, we have created table in public schema, and this is the one of the table. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will create user. Create user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Verify now. See, we have created user. Now exit from the current session and connect to PostgreSQL server with this user. Exit. We have to give the \q command to exit. PSQL -h mean hostname localhost, then -u must be caps, then provide the username, then provide the database name -d postgres, then provide the password of, see, I forgot to, see, by mistake I have given username as postgres, so give the new username David, then provide the password. As I told you, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Okay, hit enter. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. \c, then provide the name of the database. Now run the query against the table that you have created. See, permission named for table customer, because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. Okay, exit. Now we'll see how to start and restart PostgreSQL server 17.6 on CentOS stream 10. Okay, can't stop or start with this Postgres user, so exit. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL -17. Now verify the same. See, PostgreSQL server is stopped. Okay, quit. You can also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres. PSQL. See, we are unable to connect because PostgreSQL server is stopped. So start it again. So exit from the Postgres user. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL -17. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is started 3 seconds ago. Okay, quit. Control it. If you want to restart, just use sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. We have to give the version number. We have successfully restarted. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL service is restarted. Okay, control it. Now connect to PostgreSQL server and find the imported files and directory locations. PSQL so config underscore file. This file, see, this file contains server level configuration information. So HBA underscore file. This file contains host-based authentication information. If you want to find the data directory location, so data underscore directory. See, this is the data directory. Also see here, these both are in the same directory. Okay, show log directory. See, this is the log directory information. Exit. Okay, exit. Until now, we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. You can also connect PostgreSQL server by using pgadmin or db, but those are the most popular tools. So in this video, we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL server 17.6 on CentOS stream. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.